Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy RiyoTv, aka DreamTV, and we're back with another video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video, comment, share, all that fun stuff. So today, as you guys know from my previous video, I'm in Saudi Arabia and we're going shopping today. It is currently about 105 degrees right now. I was told Saudi Arabia is very hot, but actually 101 degrees, correction. I was told Saudi Arabia is very hot, but I assumed hot as in like 80, 90 degrees at most, not 100 degrees. So all my clothes are like either thick, because I'm from Minnesota, or I have a lot of sweaters and stuff. So we're gonna go shopping. I'm gonna get some tailored khamises and things like that. Got the car, about to drive around. Saudi Arabia's driving laws are very strict, and I'll tell you guys about it later, but tune into the video.
What are you doing?
We're out here getting custom measurements for my khamis. The other khamises I have are a little too big. We have to get like sized.
You want a large or small? You want like that?
Not like tight, but it's a little bigger. Like on the camera, you could tell they're different. Clearly. At first, when I walked in, I thought it was all white. This is a different kind of white. You can see it in the camera though. This is like kind of bluish white. They all feel different too, so picking a fabric. I wanted a black one, but they said nobody wears black here because it's deadly hot. It's currently 109 degrees outside. So I'm getting this one, this fabric right here, and this fabric right here. No collar though, I don't like collars. Full blown, man. I'm shopping out here, guys. I love it. Look at all the options though. I'm about to grab one of those too. When my khamis comes, it's about to look fresh though. I love it. Alright, just finished that shopping. Got some nice little imamids, and I don't even know what they're called in Arabic, but we'll see you later. Now we're going to the next place. What are they called?
Egal.
Egal? Oh, there's a nice mosque here with the open courtyard. Now we're going gold shopping. We're going to check out how much gold is. Apparently Al Bayt got some spicy nuggets. Alright, fully bald guys, look at that. No taper, no rough lineup, no taper. Gotta make it all even for Umrah as part of the preparations. Currently, I'm getting my khamis that you guys saw earlier in the video. That was like 5 days ago. I got it like custom sized to my body and stuff, so now I'm picking it up. How much did the khamis cost?
This is like 100?
130, right?
No, that's like 100. Less than 180.
It was like $60 American.
Yeah, $60 American.
America, it was like 30 each, and in Hargeisa I got one for 25, but then it's like baggy on the waist. It's like baggy, and the arms are baggy. But this one's more custom for only $5 extra, so that's a great deal. So we're gonna try that on. I'll show you guys if it fits good. Guys, look at this. So tight on my body. I like it tight up here, and then it's like loose down there. I'm sweating. I was outside for like 30 seconds, but I love it. What do you think? Yeah, I don't know what this man's saying, but this is the first one. The second one's back there. I kind of just threw it back there. Currently not wearing shorts. I'm wearing sweatpants, so I'm gonna go get some shorts. Alright, as you can see, the full drip is in effect. I got my khamis. This was about $30. I got all this. I don't know how to say any of it. But this was like, I think like a total of like 25 American dollars. So pretty nice trip, you know. About to, I'm ready for Mecca and Medina. That's all I gotta say. All right, so I also got the common red and white one, and I got this one. This one I like it with the qamis, just the white one. This is the one everybody wears. You'll basically see everybody wearing white qamis and this. So you know, I had to like go on with the culture, you know, kind of follow the vibes. Now that I'm finished with shopping, I think I'm ready to go to Mecca and Medina. I still have like a few more little things to pick up, but then I kind of won't put it in this video. So future videos will just be all about Mecca, me trying to do Umrah. Friday prayer is my goal to do it at Mecca. I heard it's very hard to get into the front, so we're gonna try that. And then a few videos in Medina, and then some other videos around Saudi Arabia. So if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video, join along my journey. It's been your boy RiyoTv, aka DreamTV. Peace.